This is Mick with Nexus Property Management, New Haven County, at 642 Elm Street, Unit 1 in New Haven, Connecticut. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment that has been fully renovated. And when I say fully renovated, I mean fully renovated. Starting here in the kitchen, you can see beautiful brand new kitchen island right in front of me. Feels like that drawer has never been opened, right? Brand new. The granite countertop matches the rest of the kitchen as well. Right, let me just come around this island. You've got the overhang. Good spot for some stools, high back chairs, right? Stainless appliances. Brand new. Brand new appliances. Nice deep sink. Multi-function nozzle. Brand new gas stove, oven range. Matching microwave. Nice deep cabinets. Again, fully renovated. Everything here is brand new. Also note tile flooring throughout. You've got a nice dining area. Brand new white paint throughout, brand new blinds. Just a great unit. All right, let's keep moving. Out this way, we'll come into the living room as we transition to the hardwood floors. This house was built in 1900. You would not know it. I do have a touch of class with the old radiators, fully painted and refurbished. Full 360 of this room. We mentioned there's a 2-bathroom. Another perk here, you'll see in-unit laundry, same theme, brand spanking new. Try not to catch myself in the mirror here. Nice tile backing. Very stylish, modern shower. And there's bathroom 1. We'll go into what we'll call bedroom 1. Again, same radiator. There's a lot of space here for bed, whatever furnishings you might have. Close this door. Again, handsome hardwoods. Nice closet. Get one more shot from here. Good sense of the layout, so you can plan ahead. And obviously behind me, you can see bathroom number 2. Good storage area, towels and such. Brand new vanity, nice and wide. Large mirror above. You see that same stylish tiling. Back into the bedroom. There's one more that I owe you. Back toward the front entrance. Nice large bedroom here. Close this door behind me. You'll notice 2 closets. I think the biggest decision is where to put the bed. You want to go there between the closets. You want to go here between the lights. It's a good problem to have. So again, this is 642 Elm Street. This is a first floor unit. In-unit laundry. On-street parking. Fully renovated down to the studs. These walls are not just new paint, but they are brand new walls, right? Great job done here. This is 642 Elm Street, Unit 1, New Haven, Connecticut. Comes with professional property management, 24/7 emergency services, and convenient online rent payment if you should choose.